Like every other mechanical tool, you need to maintain your Singer sewing machine too. It's not so difficult. In this video I will tell you how to oil it and how to maintain a Singer 201, one of the finest machines ever made. Everything metal on metal that moves, hinges or, well, works can use some oil once in a while. In the manual you can find pictures of what and where to oil. Some places are accessible, like behind the faceplate. As stated before, does anything metal makes contact with another metal part, give it 1 drop of oil. On the rear there's an inspection plate. Open it. Take a look behind and give it some oil too. Tilt the machine backwards and look underneath. Turn the balance wheel and now you have an idea what to oil. Everything that moves should be oiled. For illustration purposes I oiled something but not everything. The 2 main gears are protected by a plate. Unscrew them both and oil those gears. Some places are not accessible. We are talking about the inside of the Singer 201. Singer has some holes everywhere on the machine. Deposit 1 drop of oil in each of them. Take a look in the manual for more information. It's never a bad idea to fully inspect the machine, like the race. Clean it and oil it. You can remove the race too in order to clean that area. I'll do a separate video on that part soon. If needed, take some photos as easy reference. The best place to clean is most likely below the throat plate. You can even remove the feed dogs for better access. Remove everything that doesn't belong there. Well, good luck, and don't forget to watch the longer video with more information on this vintage Singer 201.